What's good, y'all? I'm about to take y'all through a day in my life. We actually about to ride this bicycle. I know y'all seen it. It ain't nothing but the grace of God that got that bike back here in my back seat. So beautiful out here, y'all. So beautiful. Gotta get it. You already know. Keep on going. We almost at 4 miles, y'all. We was gonna stop when we got to 4 miles. We almost there though. Almost there. Alright, y'all. Did 4 miles. Here you go, y'all. Come on, thank you, Jesus. Hey, y'all, whatever God's calling you to do, just do it. Don't even give yourself time to think about it. It's benefits in being obedient. That means that God can trust you. And as he trusts you, he start with a little, but then he gonna give you more. And the more you be obedient, the more that you get. And not just for you, but to bless somebody else. Bless me, God, to be a blessing. I'll be obedient.